Bonggang ipinagdiwang ng Bingo Plus ang kanilang second anniversary na may temang Share the Love, Share the Luck sa Grand Hyatt BGC. Nagningning ang gabi matapos pasiyahin ng iba't ibang bigating artista ang mga guest katulad ni Alden Richards, Vice Ganda, Robbie Domingo, Arthur Neri, SB19 Stel and Philip, Pinoy pop groups na P-Pop Gen, G22, Vision at Alamat. At hindi mawawala ang kanilang mga brand ambassador na sina Piolo Pascual at Maine Mendoza. Bukod sa astig na performance, 5 sure bingonarios mula sa kanilang app ang naging instant milyonaryo. Kasabay ng kanilang anibersaryo, ipinagmalaki rin ng kumpanya ang mga natulungan ng Bingo Plus Foundation, ilang scholarship grants, medical assistance at tulong sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyo ang nagawa ng foundation. Pakinggan natin si Bingo Plus President Jasper Vicencio.
We are adding 30 more scholars for 2024. Second pillar is the accessible healthcare. It's all about providing basic healthcare to assistance to Filipinos who are in need. Community safety and resilience is a pillar that addresses the most urgent and pressing need of our communities, particularly in times of natural calamities and disasters, which the Philippines is normal to this kind of disaster.
Samantala, ipinangako naman ni DG Plus Interactive Corporation President Andy Chu na mas magiging enjoyable o masaya na digital entertainment para sa mga Pilipino ang Bingo Plus. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang pahayag.
Mission Bingo Plus continue to be the industry leaders which providing the digital entertainments to all Filipinos. But regardless of the time has, our missions to have always to be make the life more enjoyable and fun to all Filipinos.
At yan ang aking special report. Maine Barreto, nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.